Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
I think that a lot of you guys might need some help in this area because it's a very, very underutilized area that people need to pay attention to. And that is building an organization of staff, of people and human beings that help you implement all the activities that you need to implement to expand your business in this social media world. What people don't realize is that they need to be able to actually master an area and then hand it over to somebody else to do it for them. Otherwise, they never scale and grow. Do you know how many actual campaigns I create myself on a daily basis? 0. I don't. Why? Because I scaled myself, and that allows me to think in other areas, to expand my reach into other areas that I know are going to help my business keep expanding along the way. As you grow in business, as you build your own businesses, as you establish product lines, brands, listings, e-commerce platforms, Facebook pages, YouTube channels, Instagram followings, and you do all your content and all those things, you got to realize that you need to segment your work along the way. You need to segment your activities along the way so you can hand them over to different departments every single time. That way you get to build a real business and you become a real executive of your company that is keeping the company looking up and always expanding and growing along the way. That's something that needs to be utilized. And today, more than ever, we have opportunities to really scale a team to be able to create a massive impact across the brand. Example myself, I'm going to start off with that to make it real how I am not just talking here. I walked this exact path a couple of years ago, and I've been able to build this incredible business that has all these people under me that now are not just employees of mine. People that work for me, my staff, they feel like they're a part of something special, a movement. They feel like their company is their family. I have helped them survive better. I have helped them improve the quality of their lives. And overall, their lives are better everywhere because of their experience of working with a company like my own company that is so concentrated on helping them improve their own lives. Because let me tell you one thing. For me, even though I have a lot of clients and I service a lot of people and I sell a lot of products, a customer to me is not more important than one of my staff members. It's simply not more important, and it will never be more important. If you don't have your staff members expanding with you, if you don't have them achieving their dreams and their goals, if you don't have them accomplishing what they want out of your job, out of the job that you have given them, your company doesn't grow in the same way that it could. My job is to keep my staff winning all the time and feeling like they're accomplishing greatness within their own area. I would have you guys focus a lot on, you have a team of people that have this drive, this energy, that are helping each other out along the way and are pushing towards higher levels and new levels of ability and skill. And that by itself is power in the making.